In this evolving landscape of dietary choices, your approach to keto can significantly benefit from the camaraderie of dedicated individuals. Imagine logging into an online forum after a long day and finding individuals who relate to your struggles and victories. They share not just recipes but stories of resilience that resonate deeply, reminding you that you are not alone in this journey. These interactions provide a sense of belonging, helping you feel grounded in your commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Plus, connecting with others reinforces motivation and accountability, as shared goals can create a powerful collective energy. Every little success, no matter how small, deserves recognition. Think about posting your achievements in your group or even sharing a newfound recipe that has become a favorite. Each response, whether it's a thumbs up, a comment of encouragement, or simply a supportive emoji, can spark a renewed sense of purpose and excitement. You are part of a community that thrives on shared experiences, and those interactions can make tackling tough days feel lighter. Not just a diet but a journey filled with companionship and shared learning spaces awaits you. Through these connections, your path becomes clearer and filled with inspiration. Consider the impact of consistency in your engagement. Regularly participating in discussions and activities not only boosts your own commitment, but also supports others in their quests for health. Think about creating a weekly post where members can share their struggles and triumphs, fostering a deeper bond among participants. This exchange can cultivate a nurturing environment where everyone feels encouraged to share recipes or strategies that worked for them, thereby enhancing the collective knowledge base. Additionally, consider the power of encouragement. A simple, "You've got this," can resonate profoundly with someone feeling disheartened. Building a network grounded in mutual support can reinforce the sense that you're in this together, making the journey not just about dietary success but about forging lasting friendships and community ties. Embracing these connections can profoundly transform your keto experience, as they empower you to overcome the hurdles that often accompany lifestyle changes. Imagine collaborating with a keto buddy to plan your meals for the week, exchanging tips, and even experimenting in the kitchen together. This shared enthusiasm fosters creativity, making the process much more enjoyable, and reinforcing the idea that every challenge is simply another opportunity for growth. As you both share progress updates and support one another through cravings or setbacks, you realize that the journey is not merely about food, but also about building a rich support system that reminds you of your ultimate health goals. Finding relevant resources aligned with your health objectives is equally essential. You might explore cookbooks that not only feature keto-friendly meals, but also delve into the nutritional aspects of each ingredient. After sifting through various titles, you may stumble upon a podcast series that dives into the latest ketogenic diet research, coupled with practical tips for implementation in your daily routine. Subscribing to a popular YouTube channel that specializes in meal prep ideas could add excitement to your culinary adventures, showcasing vibrant dishes that keep your taste buds engaged while following the keto guidelines. These resources serve as vital tools that inspire creativity in the kitchen, while also ensuring you remain informed about the latest trends and tips in the keto community. Monitoring how specific meals impact your energy levels and mental clarity is crucial for fine-tuning your approach. Take notes on how you feel after trying different foods or meal combinations, as this will provide valuable insights into what works best for you. It might also be beneficial to experiment with various fasting schedules, observing how your body responds to these adjustments. By paying close attention to these fluctuations, you can create a personalized diet that enhances not only your physical well-being, but also your mental focus and overall happiness. Each small discovery will guide you toward a more fulfilling keto journey, tailored just for you. As you embrace the emotional aspects of your dietary changes, be gentle with yourself. It's important to recognize that cravings and mood swings are a part of the process, especially in those early days. Instead of seeing these as setbacks, frame them as normal challenges that every individual faces on the path to a healthier lifestyle. Acknowledging these feelings allows you to cultivate effective strategies to navigate them. By integrating these practices into your keto journey, you not only enhance your physical health but also foster an enjoyable, supportive lifestyle. Embrace your unique path with resilience, and always remember that each step forward is a testament to your dedication to well-being and personal growth.